In this video, let me show you how to fix TikTok cannot subscribe to creator. So if you're trying to subscribe to a particular creator within the TikTok platform, and if you're having issues right now, in this video, let me show you a few things that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you need to ensure is that the subscription feature is available in your region. The subscription feature for people are not available, or for users are not available on all regions. So make sure that your country or region it does allow this feature to be enabled. So you can just head over to Google and search for if your country is in this list or not. If your country is not in this list, you cannot do anything about it and you would not be able to subscribe to this particular creator. Now, if this is not the case for you, then what you can try out is try to clear the app cache. So just head over to the profile section, head over to the three lines on the top right, head over to settings, scroll down and then head over to free up space. Right here, you'll be able to see the option called cache. Just tap on clear. Once you complete this step, make sure you head out of the TikTok app. So just remove it from the recent app list and then try to open up the app again. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're still having issues with it. The last thing that you can try out is try to uninstall the TikTok app from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs and glitches which might be causing the issue will also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next one.